How to unblock someone on Snapchat? Well, it's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to your application Snapchat. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, swipe right and head over to your chat section. Over here, move into the inbox of the person that you want to block. Let me head over to the inbox of this person. Click on it. Now click on their profile. Tap on this three dot at the top right corner of the screen, and then head over to Manage Friendship. The option of block will be visible to you. Simply click on it. Once again click on block. Well, this person has been blocked from your Snapchat successfully. In order to unblock, what you want to do is go back and click on your profile at the top left corner. Head over to this gear icon. Scroll all the way down and the option of blocked users will be visible to you. Head over to it. So in this page, it will show you all the list of the people that you have blocked on Snapchat. In order to unblock, all you want to do is click on this cross icon and then simply tap on yes. There you go, that person has been unblocked successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.